beautiful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening for wherever you might be watching me from. I do appreciate your support always on this channel. I am grateful. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, I am AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube, and I come across your way every blessed day. Do well to support Biafra referendum, because in Biafra, we shall rejoice together. All right, I have a wonderful video here that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about it, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Now here is the video. Watch it and I will be right back. The fact of the issue is that I cannot even stop laughing, because this video you are about to watch is a video that will make you to laugh and just see the foolishness of some people. But I urge you to please watch this video till the end, because I have a lot of updates for you people. Not only this is so sweet, today's update is a wonderful one, and I want you to watch this and I will be right back.
Executive Governor of Ipob State, and commissioned by me. Uzodinma, Executive Governor of Ipob State, and commissioned by me. Uzodinma, Executive Governor of Ipob State, and commissioned by me.
Anybody who is still calling himself Nigeria, you need a serious prayer. Prayer with the fasting. Look at your president. Somebody you call your president. Look at the fake BUHAIR in Imo State today. With the trouser where they no iron. Aisha BUHAIR cannot iron the husband, so-called husband trouser. What a shame. What if you a problem? Eh? If children begin to insult these people now, they say, hey, these children don't get respect. How can you insult your president? Your president, nobody upon all the staff where you get, you know, fit iron your trouser. See bongo where this man will enter Imo State. To tell you, say this man no plan better for Igbo people. Now what did they call this? Now Lai Muhammad, now go advise and make you wear that bongo. Bongo where they wear 1940 something. Now where this so-called fake BUHAIR where enter our land. Thank God to say everybody wrong enter house. Una know say when wolf don't from inside the bush enter town, enter city, all the chicken, everybody go wrong enter house. And when the wolf don't patrol, they look for blood when he go suck. You know see, he go see and he go return back. Now what will happen today? My people, when I come outside, wolf don't go. You don't enter in Kabu go. Yeah. See what the president, see bongo when you don't fit iron. Tomorrow you say one Nigeria. Which Nigeria you get? Look at your president. Southeast where you know say, if we get important visitor, our mama them go tie wrapper, hold that white handkerchief for hand, shake their waist, dance. When they dance, you go even see the breeze, you go see the flowers and the trees there, you go see the leaf, the dance. See as BUHAIR come in Imo State today, it just be like where desert, it just be like where they just newly finished from war. Anyway, now one, I will be the go on there now. Waiting in one commission, people when you don't kill, you know how many boys where they don't kill? Who will come welcome these people? Nobody to welcome them. Every family in Imo State, they don't lose one person because of Hope Uzodinma and this so-called fake BUHAIR. They don't lose one person. No family in Imo State will never lose one youth in their family because of this government. Now you come to commission, you come to mock them, that you kill them, that you will kill them again. Now we show you that we owns the land. Tomorrow, prepare come again without your bongo president. Hope Uzodinma. I don't know whether you be Mugu. I did not that Jubilee I be Mugu. Who they walk each other? It be like say this here sitting in no walk. The whole of Biafra land, no only one governor 9 days there. Oh my, best of the same feather. Oh my, na guy man now. This one na guy man. When I remember those days where you want sit in Bada. Your fellow guy go sit beside you now to smooth the job. You be like say this maga no carry money come. Boo boo no bring money. Money no day, no show. Wait till you come to commission. Una they disgrace una self everywhere. See potopota everywhere. You potopota una come to commission. I no prepare myself earlier. I go look for one native doctor when I go give money. You go carry thunder fire all of una for that place. Abalaka. Will you chuk unu himo here? Ndoshi. Unu na commission. Wait till you the commission. You the commission blood where you don't waste it for Imo State. Still they kill. You they brag. Say you the strongest man in Imo State. We never prepare for you. When the day when the Igbo people go prepare for you, we go cook you alive, eat you. Any day when the whole of the Igbo people prepare for you, you see that city where you there, you no go remain there. Tomorrow go carry Ali Mungonu, come now. Now Ali Mungonu now be on a master. When now they mastermind every killing. Criminal people. She say we don't know what they do for that place. They come, they show yourself, saying that you be a capon. See hope, small picking of yesterday. I be hope you don't forget where you hustle for Lagos. Small picking of yesterday. Where that those days you they cry. You see Obasanjo they do well. Obasanjo is a bad leader. Now so you they talk today. Now you don't join them. Obasanjo said better pass you. Obasanjo never killed their people. But you they massacre your youth. They kill them, they roast them alive. They brag. See nothing they happen. Tomorrow carry this young man come our land again. No, you see the whole of Biafra land. No election again. Start from Anambra State. Una go show una that day of election. Una go shock. That day of election, you no go hear anybody cough. Una go hire people tire. Una go higher. If you like, you go Cotonou, go pack people come. They prepare. Many of us they prepare. Now thunder na go send people na that day. Thunder go scatter everywhere. You know what they call Egbe. I just they prepare for that native doctor. Una go see him that day. Go see heavy rain. Egbe put you. Bam! He go strike you. And they fool una self. See land where God bless, give everybody. Where we go they happy. Now una just decide to frustrate people. We don't prepare for now. Egbe, you know what they call Egbe? Fulani go ask our people what they call Egbe. Those people will not kill. Then go send Egbe, go come kill all of them. Doshi. Now they are commissioner. In a commissioner. Na commissioner. Abagin is. If you like, make you close all the bank where they in state. The day where the people will get that bank go prepare for you, then you go run come up from that place. Wicked boy. See hope small picking with yesterday, where you just go there grab the power. It is everything na guy, everything na job for you. Maga don't come now. You know pay today. With the bongo,
Hey, this is so laughable. Hey, boo boo. This is my brother finish work. And again, I don't know if you watched the first video. A president of a country that is coming to visit a sitting governor did not even know the name of your governor. He said it's Uzodinma. I don't really understand. I don't really get it. Does that mean that he don't even know his name all this while? That Hope Uzodinma flew left, right to Abuja every minute as if that is his backyard, saying that he will want another president that is more than or that is like BUHAIR. Now, let us watch what Wike got to say about the response of Hope Uzodinma.
I saw a governor saying that he prays Nigeria against another president like Buhari. Hi. I said, come. What has gone wrong with? I mean, you mean there shouldn't be psychiatric check on that governor? You see, psychophancy. And you know that president knows that you are telling lies. He knows. The president knows that he was telling
Honestly speaking, this is absolutely laughable. So the one of Governor Wike, what do you think about that video? He's trying to now challenge Hope Uzodinma of saying They need another president like Muhammadu Buhari. Family, you don't even need to waste your time to start talking anymore. 2023, they are going to fight themselves. That is just the bullet that God is going to put on ground for them. They will fight themselves to an extent that they will then be calling and crying for their people and asking for forgiveness all this while. But I think it should not be too late for them to have a U-turn, because what will happen to them 2023, they can't even think about it. They will not even suspect it. They will not even know that such calamity will befall them. Look at them. Then who are they deceiving? If the man knew that people did not love him, it's obvious because he saw it yesterday. The Uzodinma and the Uzodinma, they saw it yesterday, and it's well cleared for them. All right, my wonderful family, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress here on YouTube, any day, anytime. And if you have been enjoying this channel and you haven't subscribed, oh my word, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. Bye bye.